Muslim girls' names starting with N with meanings in English. Naadhrah, one with healthy and happy looks, a bright face reflecting luster and freshness. Naadira, unique. Naadira, rare, choice, precious. Naafiah, profitable, advantageous, useful, beneficial, good. Naheedah, honorable, attractive. Naailah, earner, winner. Naairah, shining, glittering. Najiya, one who saves oneself. Naasirah, a helper, a friend. Naashitah, lively, brisk, active, energetic. Naasirah, helper, aid, assistant. Naayab, rare, precious. Naailah, achiever. Naaz, pride, glory, elegance, young. Naazhimah, administrator, manager. Naazirah, fresh, spectator, seer. Nazneen, beautiful. Nabeeha, intelligent. Nabilah, beautiful, intelligent, noble. Nabeeha, noble, intelligent. Nabilah, noble. Nabilah, nobility. Nada, the generous one. Nadeeda, rival. Nadeeda, a companion, friend. Nadeemah, a companion, friend. Nadera, exceptional, rare, uncommon. Nadia, the beginning, first. Nadeemah, friend. Naadira, rare, precious, radiant. Nadia, caller, announcer. Nadwa, counsel. Nadia, generous. Naeemah, ease, blessing, living an enjoyable life. Naeemah, ease, comfort, grace, blessing. Nafisa, precious thing, gem. Naafiyah, profitable. Nafisa, precious, delicate, refined, pure. Nafisa, precious gem. Nagina, precious stone, diamond. Nagina, precious stone. Naghma, melody, song. Nagina, jewel. Nagla, wide-eyed. Nagwa, intimate conversation. Naaheedah, Venus, elevated, delightful. Nahla, a drink of water. Naailah, winner, acquirer, obtainer. Naima, happiness, peaceful, bliss, comfort. Naima, living a soft, enjoyable life. Najah, success, safety. Najat, safety. Najda, courage, bravery. Najiba, excellent, noble, generous. Najida, a lady who accomplishes difficult tasks. Najida, secure, help. Najiya, safe. Najla, of wide eyes. Najam, star, planet. Najma, star, fine species of grass. Najmus Seher, morning star. Najwa, confidential talk, secret conversation. Najiya, victorious. Nakat, fragrance, perfume, scent. Nakiba, leader, head, chief. Nargis, kind of flower, a flower resembling the eye. Nasila, honey that flows from the comb. Nasim, cool breeze. Nasima, a fragrant or cool breeze. Nasira, a helper, friend. Nashat, gladness, joy, pleasure, cheerfulness. Nashida, student. Naashirah, publisher, diffuser, spreader. Naashitah, active, energetic. Nashwa, fragrance, perfume. Nasifa, just, equitable. Nasiya, one who gives valuable advice. Nasiha, advisor. Nasima, gentle breeze. Naasirah, helper, protector. Nasreen, blue scented flower, victorious. Natifa, clean, pure. Noshaba, elixir. Navida, happiness. Novella, a gift. Naval, a gift. Nawar, blossom, flower. Naveed, good news, glad tidings. Naayab, very rare, exclusive. Nair, luminous, shining. Nairah, shedding light, a bright star, luminary. Nazaha, purity, righteousness, honesty. Nazakat, neatness, politeness, softness. Nazaha, purity, righteousness, honesty. Nazakat, delicacy. Nazneen, a child who has been dedicated by his parents to serve Allah, sweetheart. Nazara, a sight. Nazifa, female head of a group or pure, neat, clean, legal. Naziha, honest. Nazira, like, equal, matching. Naziya, optimistic and full of hope. Nazgul, beautiful flower. Nazifa, pure, neat, clean, legal. Nazira, instance, precedent. Naziya, honest. Naazhimah, administrator. Naazirah, observer, supervisor. Naazmah, star. Naazmeen, delicate. Nazmoon, beautiful flower. Nazrana, bloom, beauty. Nazuk, delicate. Neelabja, blue lotus. Nilofer, the lotus, water lily. Nisayam, flower. Nibal, arrows. Nida, call. Nihad, nature. Neela, present, gift. Nilofer, the lotus water lily. Nemat, blessings. Nema, blessing. Nisa, women. Nishat, happiness. Nisreen, musk rose. Noor, splendor, light. Noor Jahan, an Indian queen. Noori, red parrot, beautiful day. Noreen, light. Noor Jahan, light of the world. Nauf, highest point on a mountain. Noran, two lights. Nauran, the most beautiful of the ladies. Noshin, sweet. Noya, beautiful, ornamented. Nudar, gold. Nudba, lament, scar, mark. Nudhar, gold. Nudrat, uniqueness, singularity, rareness. Noha, intelligence, mind. Numa, beautiful and pleasant. Noor, light. Noora, light or to illuminate. Nuria, brilliant, radiant. Nuseba, one with good lineage. Nusrat, victory, help. Nutan, new, novel, fresh. Nuzha, freshness, cheerfulness. Nuzhat, freshness, pleasure, delight, cheerfulness. Disclaimer: this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I cannot guarantee the accuracy of the meanings and pronunciation of names in this tutorial. Name can be spelled and pronounced differently. I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby. Thank you very much for joining me. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.